If you are planning to buy a smartwatch, here I would recommend the Mibro Lite2 smartwatch with dual strap. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to load your Mibro Lite2 smartwatch as a new user. So, the Mibro Lite2 smartwatch comes with two straps, and in the straps, you have a brown strap, and then the second strap is black. So whichever straps you prefer, you will be able to use with the Mibro Lite2 smartwatch from Xiaomi. And so this is one of the best smartwatch I have ever used, most especially from Xiaomi. And of course, you cannot but miss this smartwatch if you don't have one. With the Mibro Lite2 smartwatch comes with a magnetic charger. It can easily charge the Mibro Lite2 smartwatch magnetically by placing it like this. So if you want to charge your Mibro Lite2 smartwatch, all you need to do is just place the charger at the back just like this and plug this to your phone charger. And of course, this Mibro Lite2 smartwatch turns on automatically the moment you are charging it, and that's why you see this. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to load the Mibro Lite2 smartwatch for the very first time and all the necessary settings you need to put in place. Now, once your Mibro Lite2 is turned off, you want to remove this seal. And once you remove the Mibro seal, you should see an hello message just like this. So tap on this arrow button. So then you'll be prompted to select your language. And here I'll be selecting English as my default language. There are other languages available here. You say France, Ruski, and so in this case I am selecting English language. And once you selected English language, you should see download app. Then you should see an option to download app and pair your Mibro Lite2 smartphone. Then you need to download the Mibro Lite2 smartphone app on your Android phone. Now, on your Android phone, you need to go to the Google Play Store to download the Mibro Fit app. Then click on it and then tap on the install button to install the Mibro Fit app on your Android phone. Now, once the Mibro Fit app is downloaded and installed on your Android phone, you will be able to link your Mibro smartwatch and your smartphone together. Once you have downloaded the Mibro Fit app on your Android phone, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on the open button, and then you should see the Mibro Fit app on your phone. Then you need to tap on the agree and continue button. Then you'll be prompted to create an account and register now. So once you click on no account and register now, you'll be prompted to fill up this form to create your account. So I'm going to go ahead now to create my account. Once you set up your Mibro Fit app, it should look something like this. So this is my Mibro Fit account. Now, if you click on device, then you'll be able to add your Mibro Lite2 smartwatch. Then all you need to do is just check through here and then select your smartwatch. And since you're interested in adding Mibro Watch Lite2, then click on add device. Now click on the determine button or console. So depending on your choice, and then here you want to turn on your location, then come back, select your smartwatch again, and here you go. You will see Mibro Fit want to turn on Bluetooth. Click on allow, and this will enable your phone Bluetooth. Instantly, the Mibro Fit app will start searching for your smartwatch. Now, once your Mibro Lite2 smartwatch is on, tap the arrow button and then select your language. Then you need to go to the Mibro Lite app, then click on search. Then your phone will search for this in order to add the device. As you can see, you can scan to pair, so holding fine. Now you see the name of your Mibro Lite2 device will come up, and that is what we have here. Click on the name of the device and then it will start pairing. Once it pairs, you should see user 100 requested. Just click on the red button here, this, and then paired successfully. You're welcome to the Mibro Lite world. and then click on go on your smartphone. Then you can go ahead to set up the Mibro Lite app on your phone. Now here's the Mibro Lite first experience. So this is my first experience with this Mibro Lite. So you can play music, your time, and here's it. This temperature, and this is weather forecast. So in the next few videos, I will be explaining everything you need to know about the Mibro Lite smartwatch and how to get the best out of this smartwatch. So guys, if this video is helpful on how to start your journey with the Mibro Lite2 smartwatch, you want to hit the like button, of course. You want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this.